In this video, I am going to show you how to make money online with CPA marketing, and this is XB marketing with another video. So in this video, I am going to be walking you through a simple strategy, and I promise if you follow me step by step in this video, you are going to make money as well. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so basically I am going to show you how to use Twitter to drive traffic to your lockers. Alright, so as you can see, this new Ogads account that I started promoting less than a week ago, and you can see right here the account has made over $60. Alright, and I'm going to show you right here. If you look at where the conversions came from, you can see, as you can see, United States right here, it has the highest conversion on all networks, even on Cpagrip as well. So if I scroll down, you can see India and all other countries. You can see a lead that paid $1.95. You can see another one right here. So basically, I always recommend you promote tier 1 traffic. As you can see, another one here from Mexico too, over almost $2. All right. So basically, you can start making money with CPA marketing. You don't have to use Ogads, okay? I have been using Cpagrip for a long time, so you can still use Cpagrip as well. So let me refresh this page for those who might be doubting. All right. So as you can see, everything remains the same. As you can see, the payout for today is $9.71. Okay, that is about $8 made today alone. All right. So let's jump right into this video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go on to Twitter real quick. So you want to log into your Twitter account. So once you log into your Twitter account, so I must stress that you want to make your Twitter account looks as realistic as possible. This is very important. Obviously, this one is not optimized because I don't promote on this Twitter account. So I am going to show you an example of a Twitter account that I made a simple post and it got a lot of engagement. So as you can see right here on the screen, you can see this account. I just wrote, I will send you 20k if no one likes your reply. All right, so you can see the engagement on this post is crazy. You can see over 1,000 retweets and over 156 people commented on this post, and you can see the likes. So currently, these are the statistics of this post. So a lot of people are engaging with the post because they want to actually win the 20k. You can change it maybe from 20k to $5, 20, whatever you want. All right, so everybody wants that free money. Okay, so I am going to show you how to do everything right here. So basically, what you want to do is you want to click on these tweets right here. So basically, I am going to be going with the example I made. All right, so as you can see, it's a very short and straight to the point tweet. So you are going to write something as simple like this. So looking at the post that I showed you in this video, you can see that that post got a lot of engagement, and that is because people want free money any day, anytime. So it's going to get a lot of engagement. So basically, you can just type in something as simple like this. Just keep it short, simple, and sweet. So once you've done that, all you just need to do is tweet it out. So basically, you want to go to a website called writetag.com and you want to type in giveaway so that we can get a very good hashtag. Okay, so once you type giveaway in there, you are going to get a lot of hashtags that you can use on Twitter. So these are the best hashtags that you can use on Twitter currently. As you can see, this unique tweet made an hour that includes hashtag, and you can see the retweets that it gets, over 5,000 retweets right here for this hashtag giveaway. Okay, and you can see how many people who can potentially see your post in 1 hour. All right, over 6 million. All right, so as you can see right here, giveaway, win, gift. All right, so basically you can just pick some of these hashtags, and once you pick them up, you want to put them in a notepad, and you want to come back to that tweet, and you want to reply that tweet, and this is where you want to paste those hashtags. All right, you don't want to have those hashtags in your post because you don't want your post to look spammy and all that. So basically, you want to put it in the first comment in your post, and you can type in, let the fun begin. Okay, so something simple like that. You don't have to make it too serious. So basically, you can just in here you can just type in your tags. Okay, so basically you can put in your tags in here. So the first line you want to write, let the form begin, or you can write let the challenge begin. Whatever you want to write, it doesn't matter. Basically you want to have all your tags in here. All right, so once you've done that, the next thing you want to basically do is you want to create a landing page. It's very important that you do this because you don't want to send them directly to your CPA offer or CPA content locker because Twitter might block the link and all that. I recommend that you send your traffic to a landing page. So one of the best landing page builder that you can use is breezy.io. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Okay, so basically you can just go directly to breezy.io and you can create an account. You can see right here, get started now. It's free, so you can start out with their free plan, although they have some paid features. So once you sign up on this platform, your dashboard is going to look like this. Okay, so once you come to your dashboard, you want to click on this edit project. So once you come onto this page, all you basically want to do is you want to click on create your own. So you want to come to this plus button right here. So if you click on this plus button right here, you want to drag an image. Okay, so you want to drop it in here. So basically the next thing you want to do now is you want to go to a website like canva.com and you want to create this type of image. Okay, you can just type in $50 giveaway. All right, so once you type that out, all you need to do is come right here and you want to upload this image and you want to add a link to your content locker. All right, so basically you can just add a button. After adding the image, all you need to do is drag the button and you want to paste the button right here and you are going to send them to your content locker. All right, so basically once people reply you can just get creative and send them to your landing page. All right, so basically I may make an in-depth video about this, but basically that is the strategy in a nutshell. All you just need to do is get as much people to reply on this post, and once they do, you want to send them a DM to a landing page that is hosting your content locker. And now you may be wondering, what type of content locker do you want to send to them since you promised them $20? Okay, so basically you have various ways of doing this. So most likely no one is going to have a reply without likes because most of them are going to like the other person's like so that they will be the one to win the $40. Since you mentioned here that you are going to give the $40 to the only person without a like. All right, so most people are just going to like people's posts so that they will be the one to win. All right, I hope that makes sense. So virtually no one is going to be able to reach this. So all you can do is you can just send them a link to your content locker. Thanks for participating in the challenge. If you want to learn how to make $200 a day, I will show you how I do it. All right, and you can just send them to a link. You can just send them to your landing page. You can upload any PLR product, or you can use the Fiverr PDF that I've shared on this channel numerous times. So you can just send them to those products because they will find a lot of value in those products. All right, so basically that will be all in this video, and if you find any useful information, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any question, drop them down in the comment section below and I will catch you in the next video. Peace and love.